Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I look oily, but I just put on all my serums because I just washed my face. So it's currently 9:50 a.m. and I am leaving on a trip in 10 minutes. I thought I'd show you guys like a little pack with me type video and like how I pack, because I like to do it the morning of, and I do everything best like procrastinating and just doing it at the last minute anyways. I always wait till the morning because I like to like pack my toothbrush and stuff and not have anything that I'm like, oh, I'll just pack it in the morning. Like I like to just do it all at once. So I'm gonna pack and you guys can pack with me. So my room is a mess, but I have this that I made last night. So what I do whenever I go on a trip, I always bring my duffel bag and then a JanSport backpack. This color was a choice I made my junior year, I think, no, my senior year of high school, and I wish it wasn't yellow. We work with what we got. I always call this my carry-on, even though we're not going on a plane. I just say like carry-on in my bag. So in my carry-on, I need, so in my carry-on, I always put my laptop because this is my child. It's the most important thing I have, most important thing I own. So I put her in there. And then obviously my laptop charger, my phone charger. My phone, I'm gonna switch out my phone case because that one's really cute, but I feel like I want one that's more summery. I'm gonna go with the nice groovy flowers this week. Well, I'll take my camera, but I'm recording with it right now. And then I'm gonna take my disposable camera because I only have 3 pictures left and I just want to stop using these because I'm kind of over the disposable camera thing. And then my AirPods. I'm so happy I lost them and I thought someone stole them, but that's my alarm to leave. So I have my AirPods and my disposable camera. Oh yeah, and then I always put some more chapstick even though I have so much. Actually, I didn't have any in here. Oh, I want a book. I'm gonna bring this book. I got it for myself for my birthday and I just haven't read it yet. I never actually read on trips, but I always want to bring one. And then my SD card adapter, very important for videos and such. Oh, and then I also need another adapter thing, but I have no idea where it is. Okay, and this is just another techie thing that I need. SD card input, my camera, and my camera charger right here. Also, I have these all in my carry-on because I don't want them to get mixed in with my clothes and then lose them in that bag. They're just easier in there. Where'd my phone go? Oh my god, I literally just lost my phone. Where's my phone?
I found Julia's iPhone nearby. Should I try to make it play a sound?
Yes. Oh, so I have my phone, my computer, and their respective chargers, disposable book. Oh, I need my water bottle. She's right here. AirPods, water bottle, and then I have lammy pie as the last thing. So that is it for my carry-on, which isn't actually carry-on. Oh, and then I'll bring some sunglasses. I think these are cute. I'll bring my other ones. So I always bring my sunglasses in little sunglass cases because I don't want them to break, even though they're both less than 20 bucks, but whatever. And now for my duffel bag. So first I need shoes. I think I'm gonna wear these ones with my outfit on the go. Then, okay. Ow. So, okay, so I always pack my shoes first. Oh, and I need flip-flops. I pack Adidas. Oh, there's my flip-flops. Adidas flip-flops, and actually I don't need slippers. Okay, so those are the only shoes I'm bringing. I need underwear, so I have my underwear right here. I'm running out of thongs, and thongs are all I wear, so I have to wear regular underwear. That's too much information. Bikinis! I have so many, but I definitely want to bring this one that I just got because I really like it. Okay, so I'm bringing all these bikinis. Always need options. So I definitely want to bring my Skims, or my knockoff Skims. This top, these jeans, this top. That could be cute. That could be cute. That's cute. Oh yes. Wait, I didn't count how many that was. And then I'll just bring some extra shirts to like throw in with those outfits, I think. Should I bring a dress? I'll bring a dress. Ow. Okay, I need pajamas. I also just grabbed some more shirts. I might not need all these shorts. I'm gonna get sweats and jackets. I feel like I'm running out of room. Okay, I'm definitely out of room. Taking everything back out. Oh, I'm gonna pack my shoes separately. Also, I should fold these, but I don't got time for that. Well, I could just wear a jacket or put it in my carry-on. So that's what I'm gonna do. This is my favorite jacket. Go. Okay. Oh, and socks. My one sister, she likes to steal my socks, so I don't have that many. Now my toiletries. toothbrush, my toothpaste. I stick it in one of these. It was wet, like it won't get anywhere. Floss, medication, serums. I'm gonna bring a lip mask. Oh, sunscreen my mom has covered, so I don't need to worry about that. My tanning oil and lotion, got that. My makeup, oh shoot. Oh, my razor. Ugh. Okay, looking good. I have my hairbrush, my Numi straightener. Oh my god, I literally burnt myself with my curling iron the other day. If you guys can see that. Makeup wipes. Okay, I just need my hair tie, my hair ties in my makeup bag, and then I'm all done. So I just fill this bag that my grandma got me. It's from Ulta. It's like the perfect makeup bag. And then my mom got me a new beauty blender. So I'm gonna bring that. I don't know, I kind of just throw everything in here, and I always forget stuff. But oh, blush. Oh, Q-tips. So here's all my makeup, Q-tips and such. And then I'm gonna bring my little Morphe palette, and it fits right in there. Look how perfect that is. It fits everything. I think I'm done. That's my checklist. Also, I know I spelled some things wrong. I was in a rush. But now I'm all done, and I'm tired. I know I just forgot something. I always try to think if any of the shirts I pack need bras because I don't wear them. I think I'm done. Oh, should I bring a curling iron? No. I don't know. I don't know. I'll do that. No. I feel like I just bring unnecessary things. No. Oh my god, shut perfectly. Okay. I bet you I can fit these in. Oh my god. That was perfect. And then I'll put my shoes on. I don't know, sometimes when you go on a beach vacation, it's like, should you just bring all bikinis and shorts? Or it might be gloomy at the beach, so we might need like sweats and stuff. Oh, I can't get my shoe on. I'm gonna have to pee so bad. Okay, so I got my duffel bag. Also, this is when I did cheer. Look at that. I got my orange bottoms, my jacket, my carry-on. Thank you guys so much for watching this little pack with me video. I've never done something like this, but hopefully you guys found it helpful, maybe, I don't know. And this way I have something to edit while on my way to Laguna. So if you guys want to see my Laguna trip, just stay tuned. There will be tons of videos, well, probably just one travel video on my YouTube channel. So if you're not subscribed, definitely subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.